I think I'll take a small video of the engine compartment. There's the oil start the car at the moment, but I don't know you can see too much, but at least you can see that all the valance, everything inside. The whole car has been completely repainted, stripped down to nut and bolt. Of course, repainted and reassembled. So I'm going to just let my wife hold the camera for a moment. Point on the video, I should say. The mobiliser is quite a nuisance, really.
It is really, but I suppose it does the job, doesn't it?
Right. Okay, just turn the key. Just see how easy it starts. Unlike the old one, this one starts absolutely beautiful. So here we go. 1. Turn the key. 2. 3.
Oh, did you know? He's trying to kill his wife.
And there it is.
Well, the wife's showing you inside now, but she doesn't know what she's looking at, so anyway.
There it is.
Lovely thing, isn't it?
Oh, beautiful.